Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I made a simple and beautiful Christmas card. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to make with me. Drawing is a beautiful art from that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and emotions without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a black piece of paper into a whole new world. Just a few strokes, you can create a delicate flowers, powerful ideas. You know that this Christmas card is a special way to send warm wishes and joy during the holiday season. Inside, you will find heartfelt greetings and festive illustration that capture the spirit of Christmas. Share the magic of the season with this thoughtful card, perfect of springs, loves, and happiness to friends and family. Merry Christmas! Thank you so much you watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it. Thank you.